disorder of muscular and skeletal system. Disorder which will be in muscles and skeleton. Myasthenia gravis, एक autoimmune disorder affecting the neuromuscular junction leading to fatigue, weakening and paralysis of skeletal muscles. तो myasthenia gravis में हमें fatigue देखने को मिलती है symptoms, weakness and paralysis will be also seen in skeletal muscle. Now we will go to muscular dystrophy. In this degeneration of skeletal muscle will be happen. This is the genetic disorder. Tetany, in which symptoms are rapid spasm या violent contraction in muscles. Here muscles will be contracted very fast. That is rapid spasm due to low calcium in body fluid. Arthritis is an inflammation in joints. In joints, inflammation will be seen. That is arthritis. Osteoporosis is a age-related disorders and in which bone mass is decreases and the bone will be fractured very soon, and decrease the level of estrogen is common cause. So in osteoporosis we will see it is a age related disorder. As a age will be increased in female, estrogen will be decreased, and after this symptom will be decrease the bone mass, and this leads to fracture of bones. Gout, this was asked in exam. Inflammation of joint due to the accumulation of uric acid in uric acid crystal. So in joint, inflammation comes because of uric acid crystal will be accumulate in the joints. Okay.